Morning guys, day 31 of the AutoCAD 30-day challenge. So this is our little bonus video that we've put for the last day. So this is the assembly, this is the construction of our arbor. And obviously this is the first time you guys would have seen it in this format. So essentially what we've been working through, obviously different components on different weeks, but essentially when we started, we were drawing the handle, the gear, the rack, the cover plate, the table, the pin, the base, and then we've obviously drawn the column. So today is about assembling all this together in the front view. You may want to do a right-hand view. So again, it's looking at blocking, saving your components as a block, bringing them into a brand new file, assembling, exploding, trimming, working on offsets and getting your construction based assembled. So hopefully you get on really well today. Let me know how you're getting on. And obviously tonight will be the last video for the AutoCAD 30-day challenge across May, which will show you the solution on how I built the assembly. So guys, this is the last day. This is the last one that we'll be talking to you. If you haven't already, please think about subscribing if you like the content. We're going to look at rolling out another challenge very, very soon. So look forward to talking to you tonight, and hope you get on well.